Yo, what's up guys? So today we got an unboxing and fragrance review for Jean Paul Gaultier, the male elixir. Just got it, haven't been able to smell it yet, so we're gonna do a review and let you guys know. Alright, let's open it up, see what it smells like. Sheesh, look at that. That looks clean. That looks nice right there. Look at this. Damn, I like this. I like the big old ring right here. But now, the real test. Let's see how it smells. Oof. Brand new. Ooh, that smells good. Damn, that smells sexy, like honey. A little bit of tobacco. It's warm and inviting. Yeah, this is good. This is real good. Gotta let it dry down, then we'll let you know how it smells. Jean Paul Gaultier, the male elixir. Sexy. So we're back with the dry down from Jean Paul Gaultier, Le Male. This thing is sexy. It smells warm still, inviting, like vanilla and tobacco. This is a good scent. This was a good buy. It was a blind buy. I would definitely recommend going and getting this. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment which fragrance I should get next and review next. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks guys. See you guys later. Peace.